into me, and well, I really all want to keep talking about trauma and see land numbers. If you guys, maybe more and more you guys have fin time, ever felt the sting of a Pokemon TCG Pocket private match malfunction? It's like having your Charizard snatched away just as victory's in sight. Frustrating, right? Uh, Imagine meticulously crafting your deck only to be thwarted by a technical glitch. The anticipation of a Frumley duel replaced by the cold reality of an error message. Um, um, this shouldn't ruin your day, you know? Let's tackle this. First, ensure your game is fully updated. They check the App Store or Google Play for the latest version. That's the running. Uh, and I I would be trying to collapse. A simple update often fixes these pesky problems. Uh, Next, examine your internet connection. Um, you know, try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. The procession. A simple power cycle of your router might do the trick. Still facing issues? Double check that private match password. And remember, these are case sensitive. A misplaced capital letter could be the culprit. If all else fails, contact Pokemon TCG Pocket support. They're there to help. While you're troubleshooting, why not browse for rare cards to upgrade your deck? For your next flawless victory, why did the Pokemon cross the road? Uh, to get to the other side of the private match. Um, with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.